Go! Go! Go!
Somebody had the idea years ago that it would make the game seem more popular if 100,000 and one. So
Specialty Transportation Inc. probably ran that stop sign blatantly. They carry school children. Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! Red, and that guy ran. Get out of the way. That's not how those parking spots work. And why not? We got jaywalkers, pedestrians. Did not even attempt to stop, and I believe that's a state vehicle. Why would you do that? That's kind of last second. Get out of my way!
Left. How low are they targeting rates to be dropped to? Is the strategy, as most have speculated, that they plan to drop rates until people start to opt out in masses and then raise it back slightly to find the bottom?
Some people on the phone who have questions for Miss Murray.
Oh, last second exit. Yeah, I can't fit. Whoa. What? Right in front of them. That guy way up there. And it's red. Get out of here, you nosy little pervert, or I'm gonna slap you silly. What's that Subaru doing? That lane ends. Just to get around one car. Wow. Oh, that guy. What the hell's that?
Is that they actually do work there and they have some things they want to share with us. And we're going to discuss those things right now. However, before we talk about any of that, let's have a word from our sponsor.
No.
Thanks, Kevin. Hi,
that's not how it works.
Animal. Why are they investing billions in autonomous and other nonsense, which will take decades, and screwing drivers over in the meantime? They could be a problem.
Another one.
Just focus on the core business.
Nissan drivers.
Drivers and goes to great lengths to find new ways to screw they already do.
What the hell's that Prius doing?
Reason why electric. They don't care about you. They don't have your best interests in mind. They think you're expendable. They actively seek new ways to hold fares.
There she goes again.
Those fares. That I can totally, absolute cluster F. It's definitely something that a company like Uber with
of course
people should be
we
able
have
to
to
solve,
do that again, and of course the Infinity has to do that too.
Just throwing that out there. Anyway, let's see here. I don't think there is a target for where...
just a blind purchase. I come up with their menu, something was kind of interesting. I bought it. I had it delivered, usually enjoyed it. However, I might not want to necessarily do that in the future because, according to this article from Food and Wine, setting up a fake restaurant on Uber Eats is disconcertingly easy, according to the BBC. Now, this is a little disturbing, so bear with me. Back in 2017, a Ryder for Vice made
that white van, holy crap.
essentially a fake restaurant out of a shed in London.
Last second exit way up there.
To pick up or drop off. I did a lot of analysis and research at Uber, and on average, drivers
school bus, last second exit.
And were more satisfied having to know. This is just what they do. There's no oversight to the company. Their culture has not changed. Their culture was built on breaking the rules, breaking the law, getting whatever sad SOB who needed a job at that time.
Wow. I'm going to consider that last second. You got to be kidding me. Go ahead, get on camera. Relia transportation that's carrying school children.
And when that didn't work, we're like, hey, join us to protest the bill. You know what? They have not done anything for us. They have not dealt with our pay. The pay.
What are you
Dara
doing?
Shahi, you said you have been listening to
What are you doing?
Clearly you are not, because you will know there is one thing.
He was born in 1907, and they're like giving him shit. It's just like, no, dude, this is what you would sound like if you were born in 1907.
Nope.
Stop
Can't
acting
do
like
that.
you would be woke signaling in the roaring 20s.
30 and 96 points this year. Offensively, the best season he's ever had. Defensively, he actually
That red
regressed
card
a
just-
little bit.
Whoa!
Wasn't quite the defensive force that he'd been in previous seasons.
No turn on red. Two big signs that say that. You could have waited like 2 seconds for the light to turn green. Do not enter. You need to hit. There's one, but not one, but 2 times. Come on. What the fuck? And I need that lane too. And the Mustang driver was like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's normal to double park, right? What the fuck? Do something! Alright, you did something. What? This is why I hate people sometimes. She was living in her white bread world. Go! Come on! There you go! Good job! Wow!
Oh, you said, did he just sit there?
Whoa. Well, that's what you get for being a douchebag. The traffic on the left does not stop. The traffic on the left does not stop. Red light runner, that truck way up there.
Is not popular, and McConnell is certainly a Trump-associated senator in many ways. Number two, McConnell is not actually that popular. McConnell's net approval is minus 13, meaning 13 percentage points of
Okay, should I ding him for not using a turn signal? I would say yes.